Welcome to 7W Data Insights, the podcast that transforms today's leading edge innovations in data and technology into actionable insights. If you're not already subscribed to our newsletter, you're missing out on the catalyst for strategic change and growth. Let's dive into today's transformative trends. In our rapidly advancing digital world, one cannot overlook the monumental shifts brought by the convergence of AI-driven robotics and edge computing. This revolution isn't just about technology for technology's sake. It's a strategic transformation. How are these advancements reshaping industries, you ask? They're enabling distributed intelligence that revolutionizes operations, optimizes processes, and redefines business models for a connected future. Let's start with the transformative potential of distributed intelligence at the edge. By leveraging edge computing, companies can enhance local processing capabilities, reducing latency and boosting decision-making speed. Imagine a factory floor where data from machines is processed in real time right at the source. This means quicker responses to operational demands and improved efficiency. It's not just an upgrade, it's a strategic shift. The operational flexibility and enhanced data privacy, achieved by processing sensitive information locally, make this a must-consider for forward-thinking leaders. What should you do? Begin by evaluating your current data flows to identify where edge computing can be integrated. Consider launching a pilot project to understand its impact on your operations. Security is paramount. Invest in robust measures to protect data integrity at the edge. And don't go it alone. Collaborate with your IT teams to ensure these new systems mesh well with existing infrastructures. Now, let's talk about Amazon's robotic and AI advancements. With over 1 million robots integrated into its operations, Amazon is setting a new benchmark. This isn't merely about automation. It's about enhancing logistics and minimizing human error. The AI foundation model they've developed is not just processing data. It's predicting future trends, streamlining supply chains, and transforming operational efficiency. For businesses eyeing a similar leap, the advice is clear. Integrate AI models with your existing data systems to enhance analytics and operational foresight. But remember, continuous monitoring of AI deployments is crucial to maintain their accuracy and efficiency. Foster an innovative culture that aligns workforce skills with these technological advancements. Why not initiate an AI assessment workshop to pinpoint potential automation opportunities in your current operations? Lastly, let's expand our view beyond language models in AI by embracing multimodal approaches. Relying solely on language limits AI's understanding and utility. Multimodal AI, which combines visuals, language, and sensory data, offers more comprehensive insights. This could drastically improve contextual understanding and decision-making accuracy. Consider investing in these technologies to enhance your data interpretation capabilities. Collaborating with AI experts to integrate comprehensive data inputs can significantly boost your business intelligence. Evaluate your current AI systems to see where they can be enhanced through multimodal strategies. Developing a strategic plan to explore and pilot these technologies is a step towards expanding operational capabilities. As we wrap up, think about how these technological shifts might redefine your strategic priorities. Whether it's edge computing, robotic automation, or multimodal AI, the key is to align these innovations with your business goals. By doing so, you not only prepare for the future, but actively shape it. Today's insights are a call to action. Evaluate, adapt, and integrate these technologies to stay ahead in this digitally driven landscape?